Back again with another review. Thank you as always for tuning in. It is very much appreciated. All right, so today we've got a shoe I've wanted for a while. Air Jordan 1 Mochas. These are coming in from NICEKICKSSHOP. Definitely check them out, especially if you want this shoe. I am super happy with the quality of these. They look great. But let's just dive in and take a look so you all can see. Starting at the toe box, look at that. Super slim. That is great. I mean, I don't think you can get much slimmer than that, so extremely happy with that toe box. Moving to the holes, everything there looks good as well. So one thing people will bring up is that this second line of holes right here, they'll be like, it's not straight across. Not all Air Jordan 1s go straight across. The Chicagos do, and I think a lot of people think because the Chicagos do, that's just not the case. Especially with newer released ones, that hole in the middle will dip down a little, just like that. So this is the correct way on this model for the toe box holes to look. If it were a Chicago, it would be wrong because it would need to go straight across. But these aren't a Chicago. Looks great. Moving along, Nike swoosh. So good. Nice and pointy. Placement is awesome. You know, the top of it's not all flimsy, flopping over. So that looks awesome. Really happy. Corner stitch. Perfect above the swoosh. On there it's good. Other shoe looks good as well. I looked that over, so that looks awesome. And the leather on these, I was really happy and surprised with this leather. It's soft. You know, it's not supposed to be tumbled, just like the retail. And yeah, both the white and the black is great quality. And I love that hit of suede in the back. Just this whole shoe is super clean. Moving along to the Wings logo. Good size, correct placement. And it's got that nice gloss. Let's take a look at the suede. As you can see, you know, before I even touched it, the movement on it is great. You know, I didn't even hit this with a brush or anything, straight out of box. Suede is awesome, and that's what you want. You know, I've seen some other batches, and it's just dead. There's no movement, and that just gives it a super light look, where this is supposed to have, you know, like a chocolatey look. It's kind of hard to tell in a lot of retail pictures just because of lighting and also, you know, how the suede is brushed, you know, the exact color. But I think that these are pretty good. I'd like to have them up against a retail to make sure, but they look pretty good to me from the photos I've looked at. Let's go to the back. Got a decent hourglass shape. Stitching all around is good, nice and neat, nothing wonky, nothing crazy. No weird squiggly lines, so that looks really good. Again, the suede all over, the whole, you know, all of it moving great. Go to that swoosh. Again, nice and pointy, placement's good. This looks awesome. I didn't lace these up. If you've got Jordan 1 retails, you know that Jordan 1s only come with a bottom lace through, and then the rest are inside the shoe. I had somebody comment, those are trash, there's no laces, on a previous review. There are laces, I just did not lace them up. And if you bought retails, or you've seen the retails, you would know that Jordan 1s come like this. A lot of other Jordans come fully laced, but if you got a 1, it's only gonna come with a bottom lace. Let's take a look at this shoe. These also come with some white laces, cream. It's not like a bright white, it's more like a cream. I think those would look really good in it, so I might have to throw those in. Let's take a look at that corner stitch. Again, perfect. Side looks pretty good. Little, this could be a little tighter, that stitch. You can see it's a little kind of wonky, but nothing crazy. Can't really notice it from a distance. Going to the tongue. You've got the black Nike Air, just like a classic Jordan 1 tongue. Flips over the top. This is also good. I don't like when the writing comes over the top when it's placed weird, and you can, you know, if it were like this and you could see it. It's just a big pet peeve of mine, so this is good. And then you've got your classic bottom Jordan 1, or your sole. Midsole's kind of cream. I just love this shoe, and this quality on these, I am super happy with these. Again, they're coming in from NICEKICKSSHOP. Definitely check them out. These are a winner. All right, catch you next time.